guys, how you doing? It's your girl Etches. So today we are going to be doing something different. So I'm not going to be doing any reviews, makeup, or whatever it is. So today I want to cook my indomie. So I want to show you guys how I prepare my delicious indomie. So I already have my ingredients, my indomie, ground oil on the gas. So I want to show you guys how I prepare my delicious indomie. So guys, quickly let me show you guys my ingredients. So guys, this is the ingredient I'll be making use of. This is my egg already mixed. So I have my indomie. I'm using 2 of this indomie, so this is what I can finish. Then I have my plantain. I have my fish, dry fish, ready pieces it and debone it. So here I have my green beans, my scotch bonnet, my onion, and my spring onion. So guys, quickly I have to wash my hand. I've already washed my hand, so I just have to show you guys. Let me wipe my hand. So we add a little bit of salt. Mix properly. So guys, my plantain is ready. Hi guys, my food is ready. So here is my indomie. So guys, I'd like you guys to try it if you want to, but it's really delicious. Like, to be sincere, it's nice. Like, it makes sense. Come and join me though. Come. This food cannot be complete without drink.